how you can delete trailers watched on Netflix. So, let's get into it. The first thing is we need to open up our Netflix and then keep browsing through the home screen. Before we begin any kind of movies or series or sitcoms or whatever, we make sure to watch the trailer first, right? And we might have the fear that Netflix might keep track of our trailer and suggest something similar to us. But the fact is that Netflix does not keep track of your trailer, of all the trailers that you've watched. They just have the history of any shows that you've watched, and now that can be easily removed. To remove that, over here you can see certain kind of subheadings like mobile games, top picks for your name, quirky US TV comedies, trending now, get in on the action, K-dramas, continue watching for your name, US competition reality TV, workplace TV dramas, and so on and so forth. Now, the section of continue watching for your name is the part, now that's the history of whatever you've seen. Now, in this Netflix account's case, Mean Girls, Dune, Batman, and so on and so forth were seen continuously. Now, let's say you want to remove Dune from your watch history so that it will never be seen again. For that, you need to tap on the three dots right here and then go to the very last option, which is remove from row. We just click there and then a small pop-up message will appear. Remove this title from continue watching, and then you just tap on OK. Now it shows error because there is an issue of internet, but now that will be removed from the continue watching for your name department. And then in case of your change of mind, if you ever want to see that very show which you deleted, you can simply go on the search button over here and then search for that show with its proper name and spelling and then start watching. So it's that simple to remove any history from Netflix that you've seen. I hope this video was helpful to you all, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment what you want to see further in this video, and keep exploring and stay tuned.